Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all our viewers. This is our educational channel Learning Biology Online. I am Dr. Asad, and in this lecture we will continue to discuss topic that we have already started off, that is digestion in human beings. In this lecture we will specifically focus on the digestion that is going to occur within the small intestine, as we have already started off with digestion in duodenum. So we will cover how specifically the enzyme that is secreted within the duodenum, that is the bile, how it is secreted and how it helps in the digestion that occurs within the duodenum. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to know what is the role of liver in digestion of food, how bile is secreted from the liver into the duodenum. Then we will also highlight some of the very important clinical consideration relevant to the liver. Also, what can be the effect that you can observe if there is any sort of damage to the liver, how it can affect the process of digestion. In our previous lecture, we highlighted the different types of secretions that are produced within the duodenum. We have gone through the pancreatic juice, and then we also studied how duodenal cells they secrete a specific enzyme, that is the enterokinase. इसके अलावा हमने ये भी देखा था कि there was a secretion from the liver as well, known as the bile. ठीक है, that is basically a pigment rather than an enzyme. तो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि ये जो bile secrete होता है, where it is secreted from, obviously by the liver. What it actually is, it is a pigment that is formed after breakdown of the hemoglobin of the blood. ठीक है, इसके breakdown होने से there is production or release of pigments known as the bilirubin and the biliverdin. ठीक है, that are then temporarily stored in the gallbladder, and whenever they are required they are secreted into the duodenum. ठीक है, so this is one of the very important aspect that we need to remember regarding the bile or the secretion that are secreted by the liver. इनके जो secretion का mechanism है वो हम already पढ़ चुके हैं pancreatic juice के साथ. ठीक है, तो जो liver में भी ये जो bile जो produce secrete हो रहा है, that is as a result of breakdown of the hemoglobin, और फिर ये bile duct से secrete होता है into the duodenum. ठीक है, first it is temporarily stored in the gallbladder, and then later on through the bile duct it makes it to the duodenum. ठीक है, और ये जो secretion है obviously that is governed by the secretin hormone, जो कि हमने पढ़ा था कि it regulates the release of the pancreatic juice and the bile. So we have a diagram over here that shows us a very clear-cut outline of the digestive tract that starts off from the esophagus, and then you can see the stomach that is present on the left side of any individual. राइट साइड पे आप देख सकते हैं कि बिल्कुल एक फिक्स पोजीशन में देयर इज़ प्रेजेंस ऑफ लिवर. इसके बिल्कुल ऊपर देयर इज़ प्रेजेंस ऑफ द रिब केज, जहाँ पे हमारे लंग्स वाला पोर्शन आ जाता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ द स्टमक ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. इसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं कि स्टमक कंटिन्यूज इनटू ड्यूडेनम. ड्यूडेनम से आगे जो पोर्शन आ रहा है, दिस portion of the small intestine, this is the jejunum, जिसमें कि जो थोड़ा सा अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड जो रह जाता है duodenum से, that enters this portion, that उसकी digestion यहाँ पे होती है, and then you have the ileum, that is the largest portion of the small intestine. ठीक है, फिर ये जो इलियम है that is further connected with this green colored large intestine, जिसके further जो portions हैं इसको हम डिटेल में कवर करेंगे along with its different components as well. तो मेन मकसद हमारा ये है कि ये बताना है कि किस तरह से आप देख सकते हैं कि liver, and then you can see an elongated organ that is present behind the stomach basically, ठीक है. Elongated tapered organ होती है that is present behind the stomach. This is the pancreas, जिसका जो duct है उससे secretion निकलती है into duodenum, ठीक है. तो एक तरफ से pancreas से pancreatic juice आता है that has amylase, lipase and trypsin present in it. उसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं कि liver से जो है वो bile secrete होती है first and temporarily stored in the gallbladder that you can see over here in the green color as well, ठीक है. एक sac like organ होता है gallbladder that is lying very close to the liver, ठीक है. तो इससे फिर through the bile duct the bile is secreted into the duodenum, ठीक है. That has a role in emulsification of the fat component of the food. Another very important aspect that we need to remember regarding the bile is that it does not only consist of pigments but also the bile salts, ठीक है, जो कि हमें किस चीज़ में हेल्प आउट करते हैं. दे हेल्प अस इन emulsification और द digestion ऑफ फैट्स, ठीक है. लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ फैट्स जो हैं दे आर पार्ट ऑफ द फूड दैट एंटर द duodenum, ठीक है. तो bile salts they consist of two portion, the hydrophobic portion and the hydrophilic portion. जो hydrophilic portion है वो basically क्या करता है कि it breaks down or it disperse the lipid particles, ठीक है. the negatively charged particles उनको disperse करता है. उसके बाद क्या होता है कि lipids के बिल्कुल जो है वो जब नेगेटिव चार्जेस में डिस्पर्स हो जाएगा तो देन देयर इज़ एक्टिविटी ऑफ द लाइपेज एंजाइम. इस तरह से लाइपेज एंजाइम के मॉलिक्यूल्स जो हैं वो लिपिड के साथ अटैच होंगे and then they further break down these lipid molecules, ठीक है, to release fatty acid and glycerol. तो यहाँ पे आप समझ सकते हैं कि large molecules of lipid जो हैं they are secreted within the duodenum, or sorry not secreted but they reach the duodenum through the stomach, ठीक है. वहाँ पे through the hydrophilic portion of the bile salts they disperse into negative charge, ठीक है. उसके बाद जो इसके हमारे पास लिपिड के लोबुलर स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं दे आर देन फर्दर ब्रोकन डाउन बाय द लाइपेज एक्टिविटी दैट इज secreted within the duodenum, ठीक है, एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ कंपोनेंट ऑफ द पैंक्रियाटिक जूस, ठीक है. तो पैंक्रियाटिक जूस का से जो लाइपेज एंजाइम है वो फर्दर इन स्मॉल लोब्यूल्स को फर्दर break down कर देता है into fatty acid and glycerol. So this is how bile is important and it plays role in digestion of the fat portion of the food. Now sometimes what is going to happen that the secretion from the liver they have greater amount of cholesterol secreted and that goes and gets stored into the gallbladder, ठीक है. So the excess cholesterol that cannot be obviously broken down by the bile, it is going to stay in the gallbladder for a longer period of time. It's going to crystallize over there and those crystals will convert into stone, and finally we have presence of the gallstones within the gallbladder, ठीक है. अब gallbladder में stones क्या करेंगे कि they will basically obstruct the production of bile into the duodenum, जिसकी वजह से क्या है कि जैसे कि हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है कि bile जो है that basically is a combination of pigments, the bilirubin and biliverdin. What is going to happen कि हमारी blood में जो है वो bilirubin फिर बढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है, ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि हमारी जो स्किन है that is going to turn yellow in color and obviously the patient will then suffer from jaundice, ठीक है. So one of the ways in which the patient can come with complaint of jaundice is obstruction due to the gallstones. It is something really painful because these gallbladders when they obstruct obviously they are going to cause pain within the upper abdominal region. So different हमने अभी तक रीजंस हो सकते हैं जॉन्डिस के. वन ऑफ देम इज़ द obstruction of the bile duct as a result of gallstone production. इसके अलावा हेपेटाइटिस में ऑलरेडी हम डिफरेंट ऐसे एस्पेक्ट्स या ऐसी इन्फेक्शंस को कवर कर चुके हैं दैट कॉज इन्फेक्शन एंड enlargement of the liver. So what jaundice actually is, one of the main reasons that we might come across is the obstruction of the bile duct, ठीक है, and the spread of bilirubin, जिसकी वजह से skin and sclera color they turn yellow, ठीक है, one of the very common sign of or the symptom that you can observe in patients suffering from the jaundice. Other than jaundice, we can also observe certain other clinical implication in case of liver. One of them is the liver rupture. Now, damage to the liver that can be caused due to any reason. It could be due to any external trauma, due to which the liver could be damaged because liver has a very specific position. ठीक है, इसके around और of काफ़ी सारी organs पड़ी होती हैं, so it has a very specific location. So if there is any sort of internal damage, so due to any laceration, ठीक है, external trauma हो सकता है, laceration फर्ज कर सकते हैं कि due to any breakage of the rib that can damage the liver portion, जिसकी वजह से कोई भी ऐसा कट लग सकता है लिवर के ऊपर that could cause internal bleeding, ठीक है. So internal bleeding जो है that can be something very painful, and symptoms like high heart rate can be observed in this case. Other important clinical consideration include the malfunctioning. Malfunctioning कब होगी? Whenever patient has high alcohol intake issue or inflammation due to any infection, that is hepatitis. So these sorts of conditions, they can lead to malfunctioning or improper functioning of the liver, and the condition of the liver is known to be fatty liver. तो इसकी जो stages हैं different होती हैं, mild, moderate and severe. So obviously the mild or the moderate ones are more of reversible as compared to the severe one, ठीक है. So obviously you have to treat the cause. If it is high alcohol intake, so you have to ask the patient to discontinue this. Hepatitis अगर reason है तो obviously you'll treat this specific virus or the viral infection that is causing inflammation of the liver. This is the end of our video lecture. Do like our video, share it with your colleagues and other students. In the comment section, do ask us questions relevant to the topics we have covered over here. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell button so you can receive new video notifications on regular basis. Thank you very much.